How to add initials, date, and other fields to document in DocuSign. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to add initials, date, and other fields to a document in DocuSign. In order to add other fields or relevant information on your documents on DocuSign, you have to follow the steps. First of all, log in. Once you're logged in, then you need to go ahead and open up the document. You can look for the toolbar at the top of the page and then go ahead and click the edit button. Enter the editing mode as well. So while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and tap the manage button from the top of your dashboard, and here you need to go to the sent location. When you locate the sent file or the particular file that you've sent, so right on this page, go ahead and click the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner, and here you can go ahead and click on edit. After you click on edit, then you can go ahead and add initials, date, and other fields as required, and accordingly you can make changes as well. Now once you've added the fields to the document, you can customize it by clicking on it, and this will bring up option to adjust the field properties such as size, font, and color as well. Then you can go ahead and save the changes, and after that review your documents and click on send for signatures, and then you have successfully added initials to your document on DocuSign. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.